One day there was an engine on the railway. They didn't know his name, but they knew he was similar to Dingley. But one day that all changed when he wasn't feeling well. That night, he was brought to a small shed. It did feel a bit creepy. One day, an all too familiar diesel we all know, Bear, was getting ready to take his train with fuel. Oh, wrong siding. And with that, Bear pulled his train along the rails. But the fuel tankers had other plans. As they're puffing along the rails, the fuel tankers were talking about their plan. Alright, fuel tankers, I have a plan. So, the tracks to the old harbor are already switched. So if we just be quiet and pretend we don't have any plans, this plan should be worth it. We'll never regret this, said another fuel tanker. But regret what? Said Bear, looking suspicious. The van stayed silent. But then suddenly one of the fuel tankers yelled, "Now!" And the trucks pushed Bear. "What are you morons doing?" said Bear. Meanwhile, the engine was at the works. He was happy he was done with fixing his parts. Then suddenly Bear came in rushing through the yard. Whoa, 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 whoa! But then Bear's coupling snapped. He let go of his train, and the spiteful brake van crashed the tankers right into the engine, causing the tankers to explode. Salty, who you would never see come out the docks, actually went to investigate. He changed the switch and went into the abandoned place. Me hearties, who could have done this? Salty brung some trucks and vans out of the abandoned harbor. He took them because he thought they would be really useful for later trains. But Salty would never know what happened to the one blue engine that was in the abandoned harbor. And that's the end of the story.